So this one, what I'm gonna cook is the favorite Chris. You just push down slowly, of course. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh. That is the one who Kuya Chris mo like.
This is my favorite.
Favorite.
I'd rather have this than that. Definitely.
Yeah, because Chris don't like
But
sweet.
if it's not that, I'll have that.
Chris
If I'm
don't
hungry.
Chris don't like sweet.
No, I'm not bothered.
That's it. Yay.
That's why I like you, baby.
Thank you.
Oh, very sweet.
Melisa is jealous.
I'm jealous. Yeah, you know how much I love Kuya Chris too.
Yes.
And I know how much Kuya Chris loves me.
Definitely.
Chris don't love you. Joke lang.
It's a joke lang.
So you know na how to make this, right? You don't need to put
yeah.
sugar there. That's what you thought, right?
Kuya Chris, it's 3 pieces. You know what it means?
I love you.
Wow! Very sweet. It's very sweet, Kuya Chris.
No. Gusta kita maging jowa.
Who taught you that?
You mean. Okay.
What's that mean?
It means I want you to be my girlfriend.
Wow.
Oh, wow, but I think Ate Melody is jealous.
No,
I
she's
teach you,
she's
right,
not.
about
Yeah,
that.
she taught me to say it.
Oh,
She's not
okay.
jealous.
Oh, I hope guys you're enjoying our video cooking.
Yes, thank you so much for
Yes.
watching. Then later the finished product. Oh, look, Kuya Chris.
Well, it's cooked now, isn't it?
No, Kuya Chris, not yet. We will wait if the color is yellow.
What
Yellow.
do you mean? It is yellow.
Yellowish.
You mean
Yel-
brown?
Oh, brown. Oh, sorry.
Melisa is patalo by yellow.
What the?
Oh, the food color is yellow, so we will wait the color
Yeah, but
is
it's gotta
yellow.
go brown.
It's yellow.
It's alright, baby. You put that on.
I know it's yellow. Look, it's yellow.
Melisa, obvious good cooking, right?
Yeah, she's good chef.
I'm
Jesus,
sorry.
Melisa.
I'm
Yellow.
sorry.
Yellow.
Sorry. Brown. It's brown. It's oh.
It has to go a darker brown.
Yeah. Okay. Now I know.
But not black, because that's when it's black, it's buggered.
Not yellow.
Yeah.
That's our saying back in the UK. If it's black, it's buggered.
Did you enjoy cooking, Melisa?
Yes.
Even you're sweating?
You're a bit of a sweaty Betty.
It's okay because later I will eat.
You will eat.
I will eat.
You're Russian.
Yeah.
It's It's a little bit brown na. Oh, Kuya Chris. Brown.
Brownish.
You know, they'll all say stuff like, "Kuya Chris, are you going to see the bitch?" It's like, why? Who's the bitch? No, the bitch.
Beach.
Yes, I don't know.
The white sand with white sand and with water. Oh. Beach pala na.
Can you make me a coffee, sweetheart? Yes, I'll put the kettle on. What's the kettle?
Kettle.
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 Kettle?
Keto.
You mean kettle?
Kettle.
Oh, it's kettle.
Well, you kept telling me to
Kettle.
put your eye.
Pillows. Pillow.
See, I'm not trying to be condescending. You told me if I get it wrong,
Put your right here.
put me right. Yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Well, I don't want to be, blocking anybody for saying, "How dare you talk to Melissa and Mel like that?"
We always do.
You should see us off camera,
We
guys.
always doing that, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, it's na.
It's never finished.
Are
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Not really. No. Not for a banana, anyway. I'm hungry for other things.
Okay. Hello guys, this is
It's the
our
finished product, guys.
Look.
Wow.
This is the favorite of Chris.
Yeah, the
We
one-
call it Giniris here. I don't know what we call to the others.
You call it what? Guinness?
Giniris.
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 Right.
This is the one is the banana.
And how many you got on there? 3, and
Three.
we've got another 2 in the
Yeah,
pan.
I make 5.
5.
Five.
So that's it, guys. That's
Yeah.
how they make
Here we
it.
go, guys. It's a Filipinos na.
Are you surprised?
Yeah.
I hope you appreciate the effort these girls have put into
we
it.
effort, guys. I hope you like our video.
Yeah.
And we'll see you on the next video.
Yes.
Thanks to all our patrons and members for supporting the channel. Thanks to all our subscribers. We really appreciate you all.
Yeah.
Thanks for all the kind comments.
Hey,
We'll
thank
see you
you so
on the next
much.
one.
You like?
You go here in the Philippines and buy it.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe.
Subscribe.
And share
Thank
our
you.
video.
Share
Bye,
the video. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support. If you see you are not on the list, please let us know. Thank you. Aaron, Dr. Philippines, Anthony Neal, Kingsley, Dazlocks, Gladio Atlantean, Zark Alfrey, Romeo Roma Santa, A Brit's Philippines Destination, Gladio Atlantean, Rick's Destination Cebu, Alvar Jitch, Fere Vildi, Scott Slavin, Brett Glazo, Stephen Baxter, Mira D, Brian Dawson, Jim Alvair, Didus Jornales, Paulo Svensson. Big thanks to all of you.